Did you know that CNAs have been around since almost World War I? A CNA has very many day-to-day duties that they must complete. CNAs must perform grooming skills, bathing, feeding, checking vital signs, and answering call-outs for their residents in their care. I became a CNA because it was something I always wanted to do, and as soon as I got my CNA and I started working as one, I knew immediately that I loved it. It is a very hard and time-consuming job, but once you get it down, it is really, really rewarding. Performing grooming tasks is something a CNA must do. A CNA might have to help brush somebody's teeth, do proper denture care on them, toilet them, dress them, and do everything in between. It is important to remember when you are toileting somebody that you wear gloves, and if you are transferring people, that a gait belt is used to help prevent falls. This is one thing we are always trying to work for, is preventing falls. Another duty of being a CNA is bathing residents. In a long-term care facility, bathing of residents only happens about twice a week, so it is very important that CNAs make sure that the residents get bathed properly. A man might need their face shaved, and a woman might need their face shaved as well. They might need their hair washed, and they have to have nail care done at the facility that I work at. Bathing can be a long process, and it can take anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. Next, I will explain to you what it means to feed a person. Some people cannot feed themselves, or they cannot move their hands up and down to be able to get the food in their mouth, or they might just need a little bit of assistance. That is where we come in. We help them eat. It is important to remember that when a CNA is feeding somebody, that they slow down and they allow them to chew their food, giving them drink breaks in between. A CNA must also monitor what they are eating, how much they are eating, how much liquids they are getting, what kind of liquids they were getting. They also need to make sure that they are monitoring they're getting the right foods. Some people might be allergic to foods. Some people might know they're allergic to foods and they can tell you when they cannot eat it. Others cannot. So it is important a CNA knows their resident and they know what their diet is. Next, I will explain to you what it means to check vital signs. Vital signs need to be checked twice a day, first shift and second shift. They need their temperatures checked and their oxygen levels checked. This is because of rising COVID cases. It is also important a CNA does full vitals on their resident, such as taking their blood pressure, their pulse, their respiration, their temperature, and their oxygen. This needs to be done to make sure that everything is going okay with them. If they have a high blood pressure, it is also considered a silent killer, and it could lead to many more things. Finally, a CNA must answer call-outs. Call-outs is half of the job. People put on their call-outs when they need help with something. At my facility, we have two different types of call-outs. The first call-out is something that they have in their room where they just push a little button if they need help, and the other call-out is the one in their bathroom. It's a cord that they pull if they need help. The cord in the bathroom is long in case they do end up falling on the floor. They can pull the cord for help to get up or to be sent out if more problems occurred. In the state of Iowa, it is said that we have 15 minutes to answer a regular call light and 5 minutes to answer a bathroom light. These are very important things and we need to be checking with them and making sure they are getting answered. It is a huge part of the job. Overall, CNAs have many different job duties, including performing grooming tasks on residents, bathing and feeding residents, checking residents' vital signs, and answering call-outs. A CNA is someone who takes care of someone else, and in my job position, we become very close with the people that we work with, and we understand them, and we always are there to help them. That is why CNAs are very important in the healthcare system.